Either that or a bad fan. I'm thinking the cap's bad. I can't stop a train. Ain't selling so well. A bad cap, I'm thinking. More mice. Oh, where would you wear gloves? I could never figure it out. Never figure out why you would wear gloves. Never figure it out. She looks a little on the puffy side, y'all. I don't know if I have that size in the truck. We'll check. Oh, we got 5 there. So that's fine. We have a bad motor. Capacitor's okay. That fan should run. That fan should run. It's not running, so. Got a bad fan there. Not good. She's going off on high pressure or low pressure or whatever. She's tripping out, but we got a problem with that fan. Capacitor's good. Capacitor's good, and we got a bad fan. Real pressure in it, that's for sure. It's definitely not a heat pump, so. Look at the little tiny piston for the train. Yeah, a little buzzer. Yeah, we're gonna need to get a new motor. I just want to check it, make sure I got 220 going to that motor. This is an outdoor temperature thermostat, so I think it's the motor's bad. I need to get another motor. Bad motor. It's a 2-speed motor. I'm a bitch. She's a 2-speed motor. Not good. Strictly air conditioning, you only need 1 speed. Okay, so this motor's got a little fan cycle switch type of thing, temperature sensor. So I got a high and a low speed on the motor. And I checked the run cap was fine. We had 220, you know, going up to the motor. On high, I did try high and low speed. I tried switching it over, it's still nothing, so. 825 RPMs. Alright guys, I got the motor all disconnected, the fan motor. I think that noise coming from that compressor. So we'll check it out. Back here the next morning, so the pressures will be equalized. Okay, so that's not bad. Compressor's okay. So the noise was coming from the fan. We're going to disconnect that fan and get another fan motor. Alright guys, so it's definitely that motor that's bad. That noise might have been from the compressor that was locking up, but see the motor's disconnected right there, and compressor sounds okay now. Alright, so I got 1 screw here on the side, 1 screw here on this side, 2 in the front, none on this side. I should pop that cover, should pop right off. Motors definitely needs to be replaced. Ain't no doubt about that. So I gotta take it off here. These 4 will pop it off, and we'll get it off of there. Ain't looking too bad in there. I don't see no oil spills, so I left this here. I just pulled the wires out. Let's see, this thing might come right off. We'll have to see. Look at that. Oh my. Nickel. I did mark this thing as I took it off, what goes where, and there's the wires. The wires are right here, so I'll mark it right where the wires are going. You know the wires come out right there, so where this hole is, that's where the wires come out. Right where that hole is, that's where the wires come out. Trane is a little bit different. They got these screws in it instead of bolts and nuts. You can't stop a train. Good thing the lady shut this thing off. That thing was making a flipping racket. So I let it sit and I came back the next day. And the compressor seems to be okay, so my concern was the compressor was bad. But no, sometimes you're better off not rushing to judgment. This is a 2-speed motor. What do we got here? See, the top of this thing is definitely different than a regular motor. Regular motor will have studs coming up. This one doesn't. This one goes screws in. Can't stop a train, can't stop a train. Alright, I got the motor out. Just gotta run out and get the motor for it. Well, usually when a condenser fan motor's like that bad, it doesn't make a racket like this thing was making. This thing was making a serious racket. But she's okay now. Let everything settle down, came back the next morning, disconnected the fan, and ran it. And the compressor sounded okay. I was a little concerned that the compressor was bad. Let me go get another fan motor and we'll be okay. Next level. Alright guys, I got a rescue motor here that's got it's the same RPM, same voltage, same capacitor. The only thing that this one's 2 amps. And I think this one is 1.2 amps motor difference. But I'm thinking I'm going to be fine with that. We're going to put the rescue motor on there and see what happens. The rescue motor's got studs coming up. I don't have these holes, but it should be alright. This is only a 1-speed, the rescue motor. This other one's 2. But that's basically just a low ambient switch on that 2nd speed, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm just not going to use this temperature high-low switch. We'll strictly go we'll delete that and we'll go just 1 speed on it. Get it cooling. The other motor's 4 days away, so I don't think so. This one's a little bit different, but it'll be okay. It'll be okay. I'm gonna pop this rubber plug out of here. Working drain off the bottom. When the water gets in there, it'll drain out. Oh, rescue motor treatment. See if it fits. Yep, it's gonna fit on there. This wants to go where the hole is. Where we're at.